Hello, to remove OK button from the lock screen right here on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, let me quickly show you how to do this. First of all, you will have to go into the settings, and from here scroll down until you find lock screen and AOD, then go in there, and from here you have to go into the screen lock and biometrics, and here you simply have to input your screen lock, continue, and from here select your PIN, and actually this PIN must be at least 6 digits, because if you have like 4 digits, you can make PIN with 4 digits, but it is actually recommended to use it with 6 digits. And simply insert your PIN right here with at least 6 digits, and here is this option, confirm PIN without tapping OK. So this option needs to be selected, so make sure that it's selected, press continue, and use anyway actually, and here is insert your PIN once again, press OK, and just like this, as we are now about to unlock our phone with the PIN, we will not have to press the OK button, just like this. So that's how to do this. Thank you for watching.